Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very easy, very beautiful and unique pattern. This pattern can be used in your both gents and ladies sweater cardigan. See, this is the way it looks like. You can also knit this in your baby sweater. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 and plus 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop. Edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, bring them in front first. Purl 1, yarn over this way, purl wise, right? Purl 1, yarn over this way and then purl 2 together, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 1. Again repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn over this way, purl 2 together, purl 1. Again purl 1, yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 1. We have done 3 repeats here and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. First knit 1 and then now start the repeat from here after these 2 stitches. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 and then you're gonna bring them in front and we're gonna do yarn over. So leave this yarn in front and slip this yarn over, our previous yarn over, right? And then leave this yarn in front and knit 1 like so. And now we have 2 yarn overs here. See, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. Again knit 2, bring them in front, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. Again one more repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, bring them in front, slip 1, knit 1 and edge stitch yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 3, for row 3 knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in front, leave this yarn in front and slip these 2 yarn overs like so and then purl 2, 1, we're gonna do yarn over this way, right? For on purl rows this way and then purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, yarn over, slip 2, purl 2. Again purl 1, yarn over, slip 2 and purl 2. Again purl 1, slip 2, yarn over, purl 2 and last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and knit 1. Now start the repeat from here after this 1 stitch. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1 2 and purl 3 together, sorry, purl 3 together, purl these yarn overs together, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 3 together, knit 2, knit 1, sorry, and again knit 2, purl 3 together, knit 1, sorry, yes, purl 3, purl 3 together and knit 1. One more repeat, knit 2, purl 3 together, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 5, now we're going to knit this pattern here, right? We're going to alternate these patterns. So row 5, edge stitch, knit through the back loop and purl 1. Now start the repeat from here. After this 2 stitches for repeat pattern, purl 2, this 1 2, and then we're going to do purl 2 together here. So purl 2, 1 2, yarn over, purl 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, 1 2, yarn over, purl 2 together. Again purl 2, 1 2, yarn over, purl 2 together. Again purl 2, 1 1 2, yarn over, purl 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, wrong side, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, bring that in front, leave this yarn in front, slip 1 and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2. Again knit 1, yarn in front, yarn over, slip 1 and knit 2, 1 2. Again one more repeat, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, and your last 2 stitches, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front and slip. Row 7, for row 7 knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, slip 1, yarn over this way, sorry, slip 2, yarn over this way, and then purl, sorry, that's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3 and slip 1, yarn over. Again purl 3, 1 2 3, slip 2, yarn over. One more repeat, purl 3, 1 2 3, slip 1, sorry, slip 2, yarn over, and last 2 stitches, purl 1, knit 1. Last row, row 8, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 3 together and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 2. Again knit 1, purl 3 together and knit 2. Again knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 2. last 2 stitches, knit 1, edge stitch, slip 1. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.